Stream Selection 101, a beginner's guide to picking the right path after 12th grade. After completing 12th grade, students are often puzzled when it comes to selecting the right stream to pursue their next academic phase. Choosing the right stream is essential as it determines their career prospects and future goals. Importance of stream selection. Stream selection is the foundation of a student's academic and professional journey. It is crucial to choose a stream that aligns with a student's interests, academic abilities, and career goals. Stream selection not only determines a student's future but also shapes their life ahead. Common mistakes made by students. Choosing a stream under peer pressure or parental influence. Selecting the wrong stream based on popularity rather than personal interests. Overlooking academic strengths and weaknesses while selecting the stream. Overview of the article. This content is designed to provide a beginner's guide to stream selection after 12th grade. The topics covered in the article will include understanding different streams. There are three main streams for students to choose from after 12th grade, namely, science, commerce, and arts. Science stream. The science stream includes subjects like physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics. It opens doors to careers in fields like engineering, medicine, and research. Course structure. The science stream involves both theoretical and practical learning. It includes several compulsory subjects, and at least 2 electives. Students have to clear the board exams conducted by the CBSE, ICSE, or state boards. Career options. The science stream creates career opportunities in fields like engineering, medicine, research, and technology. Entrance exams. After completing the science stream in 12th grade, there are various entrance exams, like GMAIN, NEET, and IITG, that students can appear for to get admission to engineering and medical colleges. Commerce stream. The commerce stream offers subjects like economics, accountancy, business studies, and mathematics. It prepares students for careers in the finance world and other business fields. Course structure. The commerce stream includes a mix of theoretical and practical learning. The course comprises a few compulsory subjects and at least 2 electives, including accountancy and business studies. Career options. The commerce stream opens doors to careers in finance and business fields, including roles like sales executive, investment banker, financial analysts, and chartered accountants. Entrance exams. After completing the 12th grade with commerce, graduates can take up entrance exams like CA, CS, and CMA for a career in finance. Arts stream. The arts stream covers subjects like history, geography, political science, and literature. It offers an in-depth understanding of society and culture. Course structure. The arts stream focuses on theoretical learning. It includes a few compulsory subjects and at least 2 electives, including history and political science. Career options. After completing the arts stream, graduates can look for careers in fields like journalism, advertising, social work, literature, and law. Entrance exams. After completing the arts stream, you do not require to take any specific entrance exam. However, some undergraduate programs may require entrance exams. Self-assessment. Before choosing a stream, students must assess their interests, strengths, and academic performance. Understanding your interests and strengths. Knowing your interests and strengths is essential while choosing a stream. Perform a self-assessment to learn more about what motivates and drives you. Analyzing your academic performance. Analyze your past exam results and performance in different subjects to identify the subjects you perform best in. Seeking guidance from counselors. Seek help from career counselors to discuss your interests and abilities. They can guide you in selecting the right course and stream. Factors to consider. Several factors should be considered while choosing the right stream for the future. These include future career goals. Think about the career goals you want to achieve. Consider how the selected stream aligns with your future career options. Job market trends. Do some market research and determine which streams and careers are in demand currently and likely to remain in demand in the future. Interest in particular subjects. Consider the subjects you enjoy studying and focus on the ones you want to pursue after 12th grade. Personal preferences. Think about what stream fits your personality and aligns with your lifestyle choices. Family background. Consider your family occupation or business and consider if a particular stream aligns with the family's goals. Researching colleges and courses. It is essential to research colleges and courses before finalizing a stream. Alternative career options. Apart from traditional streams after 12th grade, there are alternative career options like entrepreneurship, freelancing opportunities, vocational courses, and skill-based programs. The video concludes by emphasizing the importance of stream selection and the need to choose a stream that aligns with the student's interests, strengths, and future career goals. The content discussed in the article provides a comprehensive guide to stream selection after 12th grade, including self-assessment, factors to consider, researching colleges and courses, financing your education, and overcoming challenges. The article provides readers with an in-depth understanding of stream selection and serves as a useful resource for students, parents, and career counselors.